Hi, good afternoon. So today's topic is about division of fraction by fraction using models. So this time, ang gagawin po natin ay fraction by fraction ang pagdi-divide gagamit tayo ng model. So we have three steps here. The first step is draw the whole and divide a bar into four equal parts. Bakit four equal parts? Kasi po ang given natin ay 3/4 divided by 1/4. So as you can see, we have here 3/4 divided by 1/4. So since naka-fraction po ang ating dividend, as I have said, kapag fraction ng dividend, isa lang ang i-drawing natin. So let's draw a bar. Then we're going to divide it into 4 dahil ang denominator natin ay 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, ilang part ang sishadan? Okay, very good. Tatlo. Yung numerator natin, it tells 3. So, tatlo daw part ang kukulayan. So, ang tanong dito, ilang 1/4 daw meron sa 3/4. So, each box ay katumbas na ay 1/4. Yan. So, ang tanong, doon sa may kulay na part, ilang 1/4 daw meron? Okay, very good. There are 3 1/4 in 3/4. So, therefore, 3/4 divided by 1/4 is equal to 3. Very good. Now, let's have another example. So, we have here 6/7 divided by 1/7. Another, so, gagawa po tayo ng box. Hatiin natin sa 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ilang part ang kukulayan? 6. Very good. So, kukulayan natin yung 6 na part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. So, bawat boxes again ay katumbas ay 1/7. Ang tanong, ilang 1/7 daw meron sa 6/7? Dun sa part na may kulay, ilang 1/7 meron? So, exactly. There are 6 1/7 in 6/7. So, 6/7 divided by 1/7 is equal to 6. Let's have another example. So, this time, we're going to use number line. So, 3/4 divided by 1/4. Ang ating pong dividend ay 3/4. So, drawing tayo ng isang object, isang line. Hatiin natin sa 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang bawat part ay katumbas ay 1/4. So, ang gagawin natin, kukulay tayo ng tatlong bahagi. As you can see, nagkulay ako dito sa taas ng 1, 2, 3. Ang tanong dyan, ang bawat isang part ay equal to 1/4. So, ilang 1/4 daw meron sa 3/4 dito sa may kulay na bahagi? Very good, merong 3. So, therefore, ayan, bibilangin natin 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, meron tayong 3 1/4 sa 3/4. Another example is, we have 6/7 divided by 1/7. So, drawing uli ako ng number line. Hahatiin ko naman sa very good, 7. Kasi sabi nga ng denominator natin, divide the whole into 7. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ilang part ang kukulayan natin? Okay, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bawat bahagi is equivalent to 1/7. So, bilangin natin ang bawat bahagi nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, therefore, 6/7 divided by 1/7 is equal to 6. Kasi meron tayong 6 na 1/7 sa loob ng 6/7. Another example. This time we're going to use bar model and number line. So we have 9/10 divided by 3/10. So again, mag-draw tayo ng isang buo, hatiin natin sa 10. Kasi ang denominators natin ay sabi ay 10. So hatiin natin sa 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this time, kinulayan ko na yung 9 na part. Kasi sabi sa numerator, 9 ang kukulayan. Kaya kinulayan ko na ang 9 na bahagi. Then, bawat box is equivalent to 1/10. Now, ang tanong, ang ating divisor ay 3/10. Kung kanina, kung mapapansin nyo, ang divisor natin laging 1 ang numerator. This time, 3/10. So, ang gagawin natin, bibilang tayo ng 3 boxes as group. So, igrupo daw natin ng tagtatatlo. So, we have 1, 2, 3. Kaya, ang sagot, there are 3 3/10 in 9/10. Or 9/10 divided by 3/10 is equal to 3. Now, let's use a number line. So, same thing. Guhitin isang buong linya, hatiin natin sa 10. Yan. Then, kulayan natin yung siyam na bahagi at bibilang tayo ng tagtatatlo uli para as a group. So, 1, 2, 3. Kaya, same thing, kahit either of the two models ang gamitin nyo, it's okay. You can use bar model kung dito kayo mas nadadalian, or you can use number lines kung dito kayo mas nadadalian. Hope may naintindihan kayo for today's video. So, kindly copy the example para may notes kayo sa inyong bahay. Thank you very much. God bless everyone.